1 day left. My wall knows.
Traffic ain't a waste of time. You were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405.
Hindi ko na alam.
You said I'd missed my last chance, but I know that you've been asking about me.
It's been almost 5 months since my last vlog, and honestly, I don't even know where to begin. There's no fancy intro this time, just me, here to catch up with you all. Over the past months, I took a break from vlogging and even TikTok to focus on something really important to me, which is preparing for my board exams. I decided to keep my journey private, not because I didn't want to share it, but to avoid the pressure and focus entirely on myself. But now, I'm finally back. I've put together a few clips from those months of preparation, and I hope you enjoy this little peek into my journey.
Hi friends! So today is September 30 and it's 40 days left until the board exam, guys. And sobrang kinakabahan na ako kasi tomorrow, imagine, 39 days na lang. And sobrang bilis ng araw talaga. Medyo nakakakaba kasi yung mga scores ko talaga hindi pa rin siya umaabot ng dun sa gusto kong score. So, today mag-aaral na lang ako kasi wala kaming pasok.
Bad traffic ain't a waste of time. You were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405. Since you said I'd missed my last chance, but I know that you've been asking.
Today is 37 days left till the boards. And guys, I'm currently studying endo. So, wait lang. Hindi pwede ipakita lahat. 37 days, guys. And pangit na ng first song. Hi everyone, good morning. So it is 2:40 a.m. and today is October 13. And guys, guess what? It's 27 days left. Hindi ko na alam talaga. Dami na masyadong impormasyon sa utak na to. Hindi ko na alam kung ano uunahin. Ang inaaral ng person ay puso. Ganito. Gusto mo talaga maging nurse, ganito ka kapangit habang nagre-review.
If I took you for a top-down drive, just you and me and an empty road, maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go.
Hi everyone, good morning. So today is October 20 and it's 20 days till the board exam. Today it's already 7:13 and actually malapit lang ako sa review center. Aalis na ako kasi kailangan super aga kasi super haba din ang pila doon. Hindi ko alam ano ba feel ko, pero feel ko naman kaya ko. Hoy! Feel ko naman kaya ko to. Eh, syempre dapat kayanin ko siya, diba? And look at it, guys. For the purple, ay, bakit bukas? Bye, guys. I'm gonna go. Hi everybody, good morning. So today is October 28 and I am wearing terno na leather. Ito hiniram ko lang kay Jo, guys, kasi ang theme today is Men in Black and I know hindi ito theme ng ganun, pero wala na akong masuot. Alam, bumili pa ako, guys, para sa isang araw. So sabi ko, manghihiram na lang ako and ito yung aking skirt. October 28 na, guys, and alam ko 12 days na lang or 13 days. Alam ko 12 days na lang talaga board exam na. So ayan, papasok na ako kasi ang init na suot ko.
FC3 NNE Batch 2024 November exam. What is your name?
Happy Halloween! Look at my
For tonight, this is gonna be our last meeting for this season. I hope to not see you again for review. Sana yung mga tao kayo dahil gumagano lang kayo ngayon dahil nasa ulang kayo nagtatrabaho ng ESPEX. Tama? Yeah! So advance, congratulations!
Nakikita kayo, Annalyn. O mag-hi ka naman.
Alright, good morning. So,
Say hi to my vlog.
sobrang nakaka-happy lang.
Guys, it's 2 days left to the board exam.
Whatever happens in the board examination, you're already very, very proud of what you have become and what you are going to achieve. So, good luck, God bless, and top the board examination. May God bless you this Saturday and Sunday, and as I always say, may the universe and the stars and the moons and the planets align for all of you this November 9 and 10. So,
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! So today is November 8, guys! And today is my birthday. And guys, sobrang nakaka-pressure and hindi ko alam yung mapipil ko today. As in, guys, wala akong handa. Nagtatanong yung mama ko if maghahanda ako. Sabi ko, Ma, wag na. As in, siguro bibili ako ng maliit na cake later for myself. It is 1 day left. I mean, a few hours na lang, guys, bago mag-November 9. And guys, aalis ako ngayon. Mag-church ako kasama yung friends ko. Hindi ko talaga alam, guys. Inisip ko lang na hindi na dapat ako nagda-doubt sa sarili ko. Though, syempre, meron pa rin kaba, pero iniisip ko na lang ngayon na kaya ko yon, na pumapasa naman ako mula pre-boards 1, guys, hanggang sa last na mga pre-boards, mock boards namin. I think kaya ko naman siguro yung board exam. I hope. So, yun, guys. Wish me luck. Kahit i-upload ko ito, there's the... Oy! Basta yun. Okay, guys. So, before I remove all this after my boards, I just wanna let you see my wall notes. Ayan sila. Super dami ko na palang naidikit, guys. And hindi ko namamalayan na ang dami ko nang nadidikit. These are my wall notes. Dumating na siya dito, guys. And this is my calendar na lagi kong binubura ko. Mula nung nandito na siya, guys, nagbubura na ako. And we are here na sa day na to. Woo! Hi friends, good morning. So today is November 9 and it's already around 5:15 a.m. And today, I will be taking my board examination. Today is the day, guys. Ayoko nang mag-doubt sa sarili ko kasi ako lang naman. Sarili ko lang yung kasama ko today. I will just do my best. So, and now, wish me luck! Masaya pa ako. Dalawa na lang. Kaya to, kaya yun. Baka naman sumabit yung pangalan.
Natay na ba?
Hindi.
Sino ko natay?
Hi friends! Good morning! So today is the second day of my boards and yesterday hindi ko na kayo na-update, guys, kasi medyo sumakit yung ulo ko. Kasi biglang, dumili nung hapon na nung nagsasagot ako. Though medyo, I can say, may mga nasagot naman ako, guys, pero may mga questions, mga trick questions talaga. I hope naman na itawid ko yon. And today, guys, it's the second day and ayan, ready na ako kasi nandyan na yata yung Grab. Mag-grab ako, guys, kasi ayoko ma-stress. So, alas 6 na, sabi nila, pumasok daw kami before 7 and very lapit na kasi yun, guys. Pero, grab ang ate nyo kasi nga! So, yun.
Completely forsake and successful pilgrimage. Javier Lorenzo Cantón, Romeo Girardi,
Hi friends! So today is November 16. Ayan guys, it's like 6 days na since the boards. Nung first day, gusto ko sana mag-vlog guys, pero super sumakit talaga yung ulo ko kasi nga ang lamig sobra sa room, and doon na feel ko nag-start na ayun, na magkasakit ako. Nung second day, syempre lunch yun, mga 1:30, ganun natapos. So, yung parents ko, sinundo nila ako and kumain kami. And after guys, ng boards, what I felt was, syempre natanggalan ka ng tinik na parang you're done. As in, natapos na yung pinaghirapan mo. You just have to wait for the results. Pero, every time na may makikita ko sa feed ko na wrong answer ko, na panghihinaan ako. Pero, I left everything up to the Lord. I know na nag-guide niya ako sa exam, sa review season, and I know naman sa sarili ko na I did my best. So, yun na lang yung parang pinanghahawakan ko. Pero hindi pa rin mawala talaga sa akin na minsan mag-overthink.
A few days after the boards, I decided to take down my wall notes to ease the anxiety I was feeling. As I carefully removed each note, I couldn't help but reflect on the memories I made during the review period. The sleepless nights, the laughter, and the friendships that carried me through. I thought about happy moments, the challenges I overcame, and how I managed to survive these past few months. Now that the review season has come to an end, my heart is filled with gratitude for the incredible people who became part of this journey. Each one of them made this chapter unforgettable, and for that, I am truly thankful. And today, the PRC finally released the list of passers for the November 2024 PNLE.
Hi friends! So today is November 28 and today is the target date of release ng PNLE results. And kanina, I went to the church, nagnovena ako, and right now, I am currently waiting for the results. It's 99.95% already. It's already 9:28 p.m. Okay guys, so nagpalit ako. Kanina naka-laptop ako, pero sabi ko mag-iPad na lang ako para mas mabilis ang scroll. Ganon. Kinakabahan na ako. Ilang minuto na lang, 99.99% na siya. Grabe, daig pa niya yung germs. Uy, grabe. Okay guys, so time check. It's 10:59 p.m. Hindi sila nag-release ng 10 p.m. So, waiting for 11 p.m. So, I hope, ito na yun. Wait lang. Results are out na. Wait lang, kinakabahan ako. Grabe, super nanginginig ako. As in, feel ko super daming nag-open ng site. Is wala pa rin, it's 12:30 a.m. and nag-send ng PRC ng P2R na passer. Kasi na, ito na. Oh my God. Oh my God, RO na guys. Kasi yung iba? Wait, saan na sila?
Oh, I can just see her so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more to
Ma! Basado!
She's probably lost in the and hasn't always been with, but my brothers will
Wait, ate Hine!
Sige, kita-kita natin. Sige,
Seeing my name on that list felt surreal. It was a dream I had worked so hard to achieve, and in that moment, everything felt worth it. Looking back to the start of my review, I began this journey with only a little knowledge in my head and a lot of doubt in my heart. Nursing wasn't even my first choice. When I started this course during the pandemic, I wasn't sure how I could ever grow to love it. But as the days passed, I realized this was where I was meant to be. I was meant to save lives, to care for patients, and to make a difference. My review journey was far from easy. Imagine sleeping just 3 hours a day, attending classes almost every day from morning until midnight, and doing this for 4 straight months. Those months were some of the hardest and lowest points in my life. They tested my resilience in ways I never expected. I am someone who rarely shows her weak side to others, so I chose to keep my struggles to myself. I kept my review private, sharing it only with a few significant people because I was so afraid to fail, afraid to disappoint, and didn't want to add extra pressure on myself. But even in those hard times, I wasn't alone. My burdens felt lighter because of the incredible support system I had. First, there's the Lord. Whenever my heart felt heavy, I turned to Him and surrendered all my fears and worries. My faith was always bigger than my struggles, and throughout my journey, I knew He was guiding me. Then there's my family. They never stopped believing in me or supporting me. They provided everything I needed, checked in on me constantly, and kept me motivated, even when I struggled to motivate myself. To my boyfriend, you've been my constant support through all of this. You were patient with me when I needed it most. You saw every struggle I went through, and you took care of me even in moments when I forgot to take care of myself. To my friends, thank you for making my review journey bearable. We had each other's backs every step of the way, and if there's one thing I'll miss from my review days, it's definitely the time we spent together. Seeing all of us achieve this dream together feels amazing, and I am so proud of what we have accomplished. And finally, to my SLRC family, thank you. Your program wasn't easy, but it was exactly what I needed. Every sleepless night, every long day, it was all worth it. I entered your review center with little knowledge, and I am walking out of it as a registered nurse. I couldn't have done it without you. And to you, my dear subscribers, thank you for sticking with me through this journey. This past 4 years have been challenging, but they've been so rewarding. I'm grateful to share this milestone with all of you, and now I can finally say, your student nurse is now a registered nurse. Thank you for believing in me, and thank you for being a part of this dream.